Hi everyone, how are you all? It's been a long time, I guess. Sometimes I still can't believe how far this little journey has come. When I started, it was just me sharing small pieces of my everyday life, my recipes, my stories, and today I get to look back with so much gratitude. I wanted to start this vlog by saying a huge thank you to every single one of you who's been watching, supporting, and encouraging me through every video. It's because of you that moments like the one I'm about to share even exist. So let's rewind to that special day, the award event that still feels unreal every time I think about it. That day still feels like a dream. It was organized by Arrange Events in Oman. A huge thank you to them.
To you, Tarana, like this. Thank you so much for joining us this evening, sir. So, as per our Indian tradition, we would love for you to light up the festive lamp.
An initiative that recognizes Indian content creators and impactful individuals in Oman.
Walking into the event, I honestly didn't expect anything. I was just excited to be there, surrounded by so many amazing creators and inspiring people. And then, this moment, receiving the award for Best Family Content Creator. It felt unreal.
For the next award, Best Family Indian Content Creator. The winner of Best Family Content Creator award is Shamsheera of Mom-tastic by Shamsheera.
More than anything, it reminded me why I started to share little slices of my life, to spread warmth and to stay real. I remember looking around and thinking, this isn't just my award. It belongs to everyone who's been a part of this journey, my family, my boys, and all of you watching. It was such a proud and emotional moment, something I'll always carry in my heart. If you remember in my earlier vlog, I had shared a little glimpse of this Dutch oven pot. So many of you asked what I was cooking in it. Well, today sharing that recipe, my simple, flavorful chicken curry. It's a kind of dish that fills the home with warmth and comfort. Nothing fancy, just everyday ingredients coming together beautifully. First, I marinated some boneless chicken pieces, and the marinade is simple: red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, salt, oil. As usual, I use coconut oil. Mix everything well and coat the chicken pieces in it. Let that sit for a while. This Dutch oven cast iron pot was bought from Trendyol, and I'll share the link in the description box. I love how this pot holds heat. It makes the curry rich and deep in flavor, just the way I like it. Heat some oil in the pot and shallow fry the chicken pieces. My tiny one is always where I am. And if I'm in the kitchen, he's the most happiest of all. For an extra flavor, I added some curry leaves and then removed the chicken pieces. Into the same oil, I added sliced onion. Again goes in some curry leaves. Let that go soft. Then added some ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell leaves. In goes chopped tomato. The stem of the curry leaves add more flavor, but I remove it after some time. Some salt. There are enough spices in the chicken and the oil, so a little more only. Red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Adding some warm water, just a little. Add the chicken pieces and mix well. A cup more of hot water to the pot and let that boil. I had some roasted coconut ready, and it's coconut, few fennel seeds and curry leaves all together roasted till it's dark brown, but make sure you don't burn them. You can find the details in the description box. Blend with some thick curd. I had kept some curd in the strainer for the water to drain. Add a little warm water and blend to a smooth mixture. Add the coconut curd mix into the curry and mix well. More of warm water just to swirl the blender to get those extra coconut mix from the jar. That's coriander leaves. A balancing ingredient to this curry is half teaspoon sugar. This makes a big difference to the curry, so do not skip this. Finally, place some curry leaves on top of the curry and pour hot ghee on top and cover it. And there it is, my home-style chicken curry, simple and soulful. This curry goes well with anything, chapati, any rotis, rice. This is very delicious and you must try it. Shopping at IKEA honestly feels like therapy to me. I know it's not the same for everyone, but I think most of us love walking through those home arrangement sections. It's just so inspiring. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy it, tell me in the comments what kind of shopping makes you happy. I picked up this beautiful ivy plant from IKEA. I don't know what it is about. I just love how it looks. So simple yet classy. It's been quite a while since I've done any crafts and I really miss it. But right now my priorities are a little different. My little boy needs me almost 24 hours. I've got exams coming up in December and my elder boys still depend on their mom for a lot of things. Thankfully, my husband manages himself and even helps a bit around the house too. I really enjoy macrame, especially making plant hangers. It's actually very easy, just takes a bit of practice and some basic knots. So today I'm making a simple hanger for this ivy. Ivy plants love sunlight, so I'm hanging it right here by the curtain rod where it can get enough light. Watering is needed only when the soil feels dry. It adds such a beautiful touch to the space. We headed to Mall of Oman for a bit of shopping. I always love stopping by Home Center. Even if there's nothing new, I just can't resist checking out the crockery section. I actually went in looking for something specific, but as always, I couldn't find it and ended up buying something completely different instead. But that was a need for me in the kitchen. You'll see what I got in the later part of this video, so keep watching. These days, I've really become a coffee person. Maybe even a little bit of coffee addict. But honestly, that one cup of coffee feels like a small piece of peace in a busy day. Life gets so full sometimes between kids, home, work, everything else that comes our way. Some days it feels like there's hardly any time left for myself, but I have learned that it's okay to slow down a little. Even 5 minutes of quiet can make such a big difference. When I sit down with my coffee, it's not just about the drink, it's about taking a breath, collecting my thoughts, reminding myself that I'm doing my best. And that's enough. As moms, we are always giving to our families, our kids, our homes. But we often forget that we also need to refill ourselves. It doesn't have to be something big. Maybe a warm cup of coffee, a few minutes of silence, a walk, or even watching your favorite show without interruptions. That doesn't happen much. Those small things keep us going. So, if you're a mom listening to this, please remember you're doing an amazing job. It's okay to take time for yourself. It's okay to rest. You don't have to do everything perfectly. Your love, your presence, and your efforts already mean so much. And sometimes a quiet coffee break is all it takes to reset your day and remind yourself that you have got this. Alright, coffee break is over. Back to mommy mode again. Now it's time to prepare some food for Leon. He is at that age where every meal is an adventure. One day he loves it, the next day, not so much. But this is something he loves, and I give him every morning. It's ragi seeds that's made into a puree. I do add more into this to make it even more nourishing. Some cashews, some walnuts, some dates or powdered jaggery for sweetness. But the base is same, ragi seeds. I always try to keep his meals simple, healthy, and colorful. Something that's easy for him to eat and gives me peace of mind too. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. It's these small breaks, these unplanned moments that remind me how blessed we really are. Every day may not be easy, but every day holds something to be thankful for. A meal shared, a laugh, a calm drive, or even a quiet evening sky. I love to see the beauty in ordinary things and to be grateful for all of it. The chaos, the calm, and everything in between. Because this is what real life looks like. And it's worth cherishing. I promised I'd show what I got from Home Center, so here it is. It's a kitchen stand, or maybe you can call it a storage rack with wheels, whatever you want to name it. I enjoy fixing up furniture like this, and it's kind of relaxing for me. I'd been looking for a small space to organize a few items that were just lying around here and there, and I found this one on sale at Home Center. It's simple, sturdy, and really practical, just what I needed. It actually reminds me of the stand I have back home in Kerala. If you have been watching me from long back, you would know that. I had bought that years ago in Riyadh. It's still in perfect condition there, and I really miss using it. I love organizing things and then reorganizing them until I'm completely satisfied. As you can see in this video, this was just the first setup. It doesn't look the same now because, of course, I have reorganized it again. And that's it for today's vlog. Life these days is pretty simple, nothing too fancy, just little everyday moments that make me feel grateful. Whether it's a coffee, fixing up a corner at home, or spending time with family, these small things really do make life feel full. I've learned that happiness doesn't always come from big changes or perfect plans. Most days, it's about finding joy in what's already around us and being thankful for it. Some days are smooth, some are messy, and that's okay. What matters is what we keep showing up, doing our best, and taking care of the people we love, including ourselves. So, wherever you are, I hope you find a moment today to slow down, breathe, and feel thankful for the little things. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.